Hello, everyone. I'm Rihanna Beg, Editor-in-Chief at Machine Design. TIMTOS 25 is a global smart manufacturing and machine tool expo taking place in the city of Taipei, Taiwan from March the 3rd to the 8th, 2025. The show is organized by the Taiwan External Trade Development Council, or TAITRA, and Taiwan Association of Machinery Industry. This year, the expo will feature nearly 1,000 exhibitors. Machine Design will be on the ground at the show to learn all we can about advancements in digital manufacturing, automation, and integrated AI and robotics solutions in that part of the world. And so, gearing up for the show, we've invited Emma Yang, who is team leader in the exhibition department at TIMTOS, to provide some pointers for navigating the show and to provide insights on what we can expect to see there this year. Just please tell me a little bit about yourself and tell us about the show, its history, and what the focus is this year.
Sure. Hi. I am working for TAITRA for more than 30 years. It's a great honor to organize the show this year. TIMTOS 2025 is one of the largest and most influential exhibitions in the global machinery industry. Since its debut in 1975, it has been held 30 times, showcasing the latest machine technologies and innovative solutions, becoming a key platform in the field of machine tools and smart manufacturing. So for this year's, the industry focus will be on three major themes: AI and robotics, future smart manufacturing, and green power and sustainability. The exhibition will emphasize Industrial 4.0 technologies, such as digital twins, AIoT, automation, and cloud applications, driving the industry toward smarter, more efficient, and eco-friendly development. The highlight of the show will be keynote speech and professional forums, and the 30th edition celebrations and the beer festival network. So it will be very interesting shows. So I think the attendee can expect from TIMTOS the advanced technology and the industry trends, especially application on AI, robotics, 3D printing, and smart manufacturing. It's a perfect place to discover business opportunities and collaboration internationally, serving as a global platform for the manufacturing industry to connect and grow.
That's great, Emma. So I'm really looking forward to seeing a little bit about all of those technologies. What can you tell me? So what key technologies are being advanced at the show this year?
I would say that first I want to emphasize two things. For the 2025 TIMTOS, we have two new exhibition areas, namely AI controlling system and smart manufacturing. And the second one is innovative applications products. So many exhibitors are focusing on AI technology integrations to help the machine tool industry develop smart solutions, as well as innovations in automation, data processing, circular economy, and energy saving, and carbon reduction applications. I can take, for example, like two Taiwanese company in these shows. One is Highwinds, which is use its technology in the AI robotics components for the USA companies. Key robotics components such as harmonic reducers, ball screws, and AI logistic robots have successfully integrated into major US manufacturers' robotics supply chains. Another one is Quasar machine has ventured its hydrogen energy sectors, focusing on SOFC and SOEC's battery processing applications, with rapid growth expected in the future. And for more things, I think you can discover from the TIMTOS 2025, they will have much more world's leading machine tool brands, such as Fairfriend Group, TTG Group, Victor Taichung, YCM, and Delta Electronics, and as long as some of the very famous international brands such as Siemens, Heidelberg, Ecus, Fanuc, and Mazak. So I think it will be a great showcase for the complete ecosystem, from automation solution to carbon reduced technologies.
Yeah, I'm really excited to see some of those familiar brands and certainly learn about others that I have not had some familiarity with. I wonder if you can provide a few more insights into the exhibitors and the markets that they represent. So, talk about AI and robotics, talk about the medical aerospace, and perhaps even future smart manufacturing, and not forgetting green sustainability. Um, Tell me a little bit more about those markets.
Well, I think first I want to emphasize Taiwan's machine industry. It's globally recognized as its exceptional manufacturing capabilities and strong R&D strengths, flexible supply chain management, and international market advantages, competitive edge in R&D design, flexible productions. Taiwanese manufacturers are quick to adapt to the AI waves and develop new products, such as AI robotics, with Highwinds being one of the key suppliers in this chain. And for Taiwan's, I would want to emphasize another thing is Taiwan's machine products are exported worldwide, showcasing the outstanding innovation and manufacturing skill. And in 2024, Taiwan's machinery equipment and components has been exported reached to 3.73 billion US dollars. I think for 2025 TIMTOS, we will serve as a platform to showcase Taiwan's competitive edges in high performance, energy efficiency machinery. So we hope to attract more global buyers and industry professionals to witness Taiwan's leadership in advanced manufacturing technologies, further strengthening its influence in the global manufacturing sectors.
What I'm also really interested in knowing about is how the Taiwan market and the event experience compares to North American markets. That'll be my first time at a Taiwan show.
Wow, welcome then. Well, compared to North American market, Taiwan's machinery industry is much more agile, able to quickly respond to the market demands and offer customized solutions based on customers' needs. So I think that's Taiwan's best niche. For Taiwan's biggest advantage in machinery, I think the other thing is we have a cluster with over 750 suppliers. So all of this will come to TIMTOS to showcase their latest technology and innovative products. So I think it's a very interesting location for all of the global audience to see TIMTOS 2025. Here, I want to emphasize another thing is not for Taiwan's machine industry. It's not just about the products. It's also about providing comprehensive solutions. That's what Taiwan is especially on. For example, like YCM, they will showcase their green time smart factory solutions, which improve production efficiency by 30% and reduce operational cost by 15%. And this type of innovation highlights Taiwan's leadership in manufacturing, especially in precision and automations. And in terms of green energy and sustainability, I think for Delta Electronics introduced its energy efficiency CNC machines that have won global market approval, helping business achieve both environmental goals and improve production performance. This further emphasizes Taiwan's strength in green manufacturing. Taiwan's flexibility and pricing capability, I think that's famous in the global market. I think that's another advantage Taiwan's over North American market. And for TIMTOS 2025, we will have some very exciting events like keynotes, forums, ESG carbon consultation, the 30th edition celebration, and the beer festival, guided tour, and procurement meetings. I think all of this will enhance our global industry trend and the faster collaboration for all of the exhibitors.
It's very exciting, Emma. And you know what? I'm looking forward to many of those networking opportunities. One thing I want you to talk about and help me understand a little bit more is the ESG Action Initiative. Tell me more about that.
I think we will design a series of the ESG actions, including keynote forums, and one is what we call the Dark Net Zero Carbon Consulting, as well as guided tours and the podcast. So these initiatives focus on the sustainable theme of the exhibition, offering deep insights into how every link in the supply chain can achieve the new low carbon, high efficiency, and sustainability while leading the industry green transformation. And for keynotes, I want to especially talk a little bit about is the insight of what we are going to look into is the insight into the future smart manufacturing. This time we have invited the THK Group Chairman and CEO Akihiro Teramaki as international keynote speakers at TIMTOS. Mr. Teramaki will emphasize the challenge and the future of the global manufacturing in the age of AI. And the other one is the Techman Robot CEO called Ho Chen. He will share the insights on the integrating AI with the automation solutions. And I think I want to talk a little bit about the keynotes, which will be held on the March 4th at 10 a.m. Taiwan TAMI at the TICC, Taipei International Convention Center. The other one is Dr. Net Zero for the free carbon consultations. As the world pushing to the net zero emissions, strengthening carbon resilience in the machine tool industry and its supply chains is a pressing challenge. So TIMTOS will offer a free carbon consulting service at the TWTC Hall 1, where experts from the Industrial Technology Research Institute will provide one-on-one guidance. Participants can learn about the international and the domestic energy saving and the carbon reduction policies, including in-depth discussion on the EU's carbon border adjustment mechanism, CBAM, and the sustainable carbon reduction requirement of the global brands. For the podcast and the guided tour, which is exclusive industrial dialogue. So for the podcast, what we call the manufacturer's wing podcast, we'll invite experts and industrial leaders to discuss the trend in manufacturing and the future of ESG. And the podcast will focus on the benefit of smart manufacturing. The smart manufacturing guided tour will give a visitor a hand-on look at the latest technologies and the products in the machine tool industry. The tour will highlight the entire process from material selection to smart manufacturing, offering valuable insights into how the supply chain can achieve low carbon, efficient, and sustainable practices. So visitors also will experience the appeal of smart manufacturing firsthand.
It's a really robust program, and I really look forward to participating this year. Emma Yang, thank you so much for your insights. I look forward to learning more at the show.